Today I will show you how to make a simple toolbox with no power tools from scrap wood. Let's go on. I found this old dirty desk and this piece of pine plywood and this is my plan. You will need some square like this or this one, and you're also gonna need some measure like this tape measure, all this folding measure. So now we have to cut the end of the board, so it has to be square. My desk is already in square. I can measure one of my sides like this with pencil, and now I will use square to draw a line like this. It have to be precise, and we're also making the line on the side of the desk like this. I will clamp it down with clamps, so I make sure the wood is not gonna move. Now I will use this saw with a fine cut. And when you're about to cut this plank, you have to cut it on the outer side of the line. Not on the line, but next to the line. You will start cutting this board on the corner like this. So you will have the saw in angle like this, and you can start cutting. So now I have all my four sides for my box. My box is 25 by 25 centimeters. I have to cut these two sides shorter because of the thickness of these two sides. So now I have to clean the surface of these pieces, and for this operation we can use a hand plane like this, or we can use sandpaper. When you're making this operation, you have to grind along the grain like this and not like that. Now we will connect these four pieces together, but you have to follow this rule, and it means when the wood is shaped like this, and you can see it there, for example, a little bit, it's shaped like that, and that means you have to put this side out. So this side will be the outer. Now I have clamped these two pieces together like that with clamps on this piece of wood, and this piece is in angle, of course, it has to be. So now I will connect these two pieces with nails. I will use 3 nails on each corner, and when you're using nails on this very thin piece, you have to do this. When you do that, the wood will not crack. So I will measure about 1.5 centimeter. When I will hammer this nail, I won't hammer it straight down, but a little bit in angle. You see, like the dovetail shape. And now we are just have to put some bottom for our box. So I put the box on the plywood, and I will push the box down on the plywood. I will draw a line around the box like this with a sharp pencil. Now we have to cut it. So I will use the same saw like before. Now I will sand this piece with the same sandpaper like I use for this. So we put the plywood on the bottom like this. We center it and we hammer our nail just like that. So here is our nail, and we put the second one right here. So the bottom is on, and now we have to sand these sharp corners.